And the race is on, cuts away, fast to begin, followed by Jaden Diamond. Rushing up is May Bucaspa alongside fast forward Tabaco. A slingshot effect is the early trailer, cuts away, followed by May Bucaspa. The favorite from the outside, Jaden Diamond, is racing in third by about 2 lengths, 5 lengths, corner, back and forth, fast forward. Tabaco by the run, slingshot effect. Entering the far turn, cuts away by Anek, followed by May Bucaspa. Jaden Diamond racing in third and getting closer. Rounding the far turn, cuts away by Anek, May Bucaspa. Racing on the outside, almost catching the lead. May Bucaspa this time by Anek, followed by cuts away down on the inside. Jaden Diamond getting closer in third as they race the final corner. The favorite May Bucaspa this time by about 2 lengths. Cuts away, running in second. And on the outside, Jaden Diamond moving up, slingshot effect, Tabaco fast forward. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, the favorite May Bucaspa. Second, cuts away, Jaden Diamond fast forward for your quartet. Then comes Tabaco, slingshot effect.